Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to remove the hood from your 1994 to 2004 Mustang. So removing the hood from your 1994 to 2004 Mustang, it's pretty easy to do. You're going to need a basic socket set, some painter's tape to mark the hood if your hood is properly aligned. Of course, if your hood isn't properly aligned, you don't need the painter's tape. And you're going to need an extra set of hands to help lift the hood off of the car whenever you loosen and remove the hardware. To get started, pull the hood release and support the hood via the prop rod. If the hood is properly aligned, mark the sides of the hinge and the top with painter's tape. Of course, do this for both sides. Set the prop rod down and tell your friend to hold the other side. Position your hand underneath the rear of the hood and support the side of it with your shoulder. Loosen and remove the hardware and then pass the tool to your friend. Once the hardware is removed from the other side, the hood can be removed from the car. Reverse the removal steps to reinstall the hood and align the hinge with the painter's tape. Remove the tape and then you're good to go. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more SN95 and New Edge content and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, you guys know what to do for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.